That is a bullish breakout for Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, with possible targets between $78,000 to $83,000, and we got exactly what we needed to see yesterday in yesterday's candle. Now, let's reverse and do a little bit of re-education here. So 2 days ago, we had a Bitcoin daily candle close above the 12-day exponential moving average, the 21-day exponential moving average, and these lines of resistance we had drawn. That was a really good sign that Bitcoin could be about to confirm a move to the upside here. We just needed to see if the next daily candle here would also close above most of those resistance points, now hopefully support. And yesterday, we got tested. We got tested, but the daily candle closes all that matters. And the daily candle closed above the 12-day exponential moving average and these lines of resistance, confirming them as support and putting us in the perfect position for this blast upwards. Also leading up to this, we had a series of higher lows, and two of those higher lows were pretty solid bullish candles. This is a small bullish hammer candle. This is a larger kind of bullish hammer candle, but we like to see that wick here, right? These long wicks on these higher lows is a really good sign of bulls coming in and really pushing the market higher and being willing to do so. Now, setting targets for this move, pretty simple. Come to the weekly chart here and try to find the next major area of resistance, which happens to be $78,000. That's where the 12-week EMA is lining up, but it's also where this general range of kind of back and forth happened, where these candles ended and started on the weekly chart, right? These wicks here, the bodies of the candles here. This is a general zone of resistance. So let's just say it's 78K to like 77 or so $1,000. That's where that resistance lies. But coming to the monthly chart, we see an interesting thing here, which is that price hasn't really tested the 21-month exponential or the 12-month exponential moving averages in quite some time. And it would make total sense for me, someone who's a long-term like swing trader on these monthly, weekly charts, to see price come up and retest at least one of these key exponential moving average since it's been such a long period of time. And that is currently sitting at about $83,000 or so, which is why my range for this move here in Bitcoin is between that like 78, 77K range to about $83,000 or so. And that is the update for the day. I'll be doing some hunting to find some altcoins to trade, but otherwise I've increased my buying of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana per usual. And I hope you have a good rest of your day and do good things and be good people and make a bunch of money.